Today I would like to talk about a very simple method which helped me a lot while learning English. It was to not think about the timing, the duration I am taking to learn this language. Sometimes we think like 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, or 1 year is enough to learn a language. But on the contrary, it's not. It's a language, it's a process. You learn every single day. I'm still learning, I'm still discovering new words, new meanings, new understanding of this language. So just simply sticking to the parameter and knowing that certain sentences are good for us, and just by learning them, or certain grammar portions are good, so only sticking to them will be enough for the time being, but it will not let you to it will not help you understand the very key aspect of a language, which is a connection. And if you do not have a connection with the language, you always feel this hollow feeling inside of you that something is missing, and that missing part is the connection. And it's very important to have a connection with the language you're learning, whether it's English or the language you really want to learn. And in our case, it's English. And so this is a very significant aspect of learning a language, to have a connection with the language, to feel the language while speaking it, while knowing it, while listening to it. Doing any aspect of learning the language, you have to make sure that you're connected with the language. That's why we watch television, that's why we watch movies, read novels, and explore the culture of that language, so we can feel connected to the language and get closer to the language. And the moment you do that, the language will become much easier to learn, much so easy, you feel like it's just home. And I think that's the best trick to learn a language. So hope you will see this aspect also and enjoy this journey of learning this language. And if you want someone to help you learn this language, I'm always here for you. You can always DM me regarding the language, and I will always help you. And it's a global language. You will learn a lot.